Checking the front head stops. Have the operator position the machine in the program stop to allow the machine to jog into position, that the in-feed tablet is down. Close the main motor off. Open the guard at the in-feed. These bridges, they all come out. Place them there. Next, this in-feed pan, similar to the Pro Matrix, has countersunk screws. You take them out. This pan comes out. And prior to me taking this pan out, I actually had this cover across the in-feed. And the Pro Matrix has a similar cover that you just got to take off as well. Now, with that said, the objective here is to square up, which the operators should be able to do as well, but for your sake, you're just going to engage here, and the objective is these 4 head stops, okay, 3, 4, are run off of this equalizer crossbar, and what you're going to do is you're going to, this is neutral, that's skew. So this skew here will independently move these 2, and actually that could move in and out quite a bit, so you got to square that up if need be. And what you can do is you take your ruler and you measure here, for example, and what you need to do is, if these 2 don't match, you can independently move those 2 with this lever here, and as you can see, that moves it back in. You square that up, and once you're ready on that, you engage, and now you're going to turn this dial all the way towards the delivery until it stops. And what you're then going to do is take another measurement and note it, like I have on this instruction here, which is going to be separate on a picture and emailed. And then what you're going to do here is then you're going to count how many turns is in the system. And on the Easy Matrix, I already know there are 7, and on the Pro Matrix there's approximately 10. Okay, which gives you a range of theoretically anywhere between 8 to 10 millimeters of range. Okay, you do that until it stops. Okay, she stopped. And now the whole assembly has moved that way. You then grab a piece of tape, and you're going to put a piece of tape around the adjuster like so. And you're just going to make a reference here. Okay, so that would be a reference there. And now what you're going to do is make a reference here. So I already know that with 7 turns, I'm then going to turn this 3.5 turns. So 1, 2, 3 and a half. So theoretically there, that gives me another position of the mid-range. And all that is to be determining where my head knife is going to hit in a theoretical first knife position. We'll go over that later. Here, once again, is the instructions for the step-by-step. And really what you're going to be doing is having this cover off allows you to look at this mechanism, allows you to see these spider gears, making sure that none of these are worn out or loose. These pins could be busted, etc. Okay, so that just allows you to check the mechanism right and left. Okay, the Pro Matrix is very similar. Okay, so that just allows that cover to come off to give you access to inspect the whole mechanism. Okay.